All right, now that was adding and subtracting. Now we're talking about multiplying. First, we're going to start with multiplying monomials, then monomials by binomials, multiplying those two things together, and then binomials to binomials with the FOIL method. Okay. So first off, 3x squared times y times negative 4x cubed. All right. Here's the problem so far. So this is going to operate sort of like that properties of exponents thing we did a couple lessons back, where we look at each individual term inside the term. So 3 times 4 is 12, but that's a negative 4, so it's negative 12. Negative 12. X squared times x cubed is 2 plus 3, so that becomes x to the 5th. And then there's no y over there, so the y just drops down. When you have an exponent multiplying an exponent like this, you actually add them together. All right, now we have a monomial multiplying a binomial. So this is a monomial, right? One term, all three of those things are together. This number, this letter, and this number here are all together, so that's a monomial, and that's a binomial. So first we're going to go 2x squared times x squared. That gives us negative 2x to the 4th. Remember, we're adding together the exponents. And then this term times 1, so plus, nope, it's not plus, that's a minus, because it's a negative. Haha, almost tricked you. Me, tricked myself. Okay, 2x squared. Negative 2x to the 4th minus 2x squared. And that's as simple as it gets, because x4 and x2 don't mix. Those are two different terms. And now we move on to two binomials. So 2x minus 1 times 3x plus 4. Hopefully things have progressed to this point that this is going to make sense, because it's basically just the distributive property applied to this situation. I forgot the word applied. Math is frying my brain. I don't know how you guys do this all day. It's impressive. I'm impressed. Okay. 2x times 3x. 2x. First, we're going to do 2x. We're going to distribute it into here for 3x. So 2x times 3x gives me 6x squared. Then we're going to multiply this term by this term, 2x times 4. And that gives me 8x. Now this term hasn't multiplied anything yet, so it's going to multiply both these terms. Negative 1 times 3x gives me minus 3x. And then negative 1 times 4 gives me minus 4. And then here we have two like terms. We have an x and an x, so they can be added together. So 6x squared plus 8 minus 3 is 5. 5x minus 4. And there you have it. I'm going to do it one more time. Same numbers, same terms and everything. But I'll use the terminology for the FOIL method. First, outer, inner, that is not how that works. Inner, last. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. The first two terms, the outer two terms, the inner two terms, and the last two terms. First, outer, inner, last. So that means the first two, 2x times 3x, 6x squared. The outer two, 2x times 4 gives me gives me 8x. Inner gives me minus 3x. And last is negative 4. See, same thing we just did, only it's got a handy little mnemonic to remember how to do it. First, outer, inner, last.